Hi, Tony and Aaron here. The Weekend Warriors have teamed up with Clever Bloom to bring you some more great displays for your air plants.
And today we're going to show you how to make an air plant display using a simple wood block.
Okay, Aaron, in a previous video we did these concrete air plant displays, and they are really cool and they look great. But it was a little more labor intensive.
It took a little bit more time. Yeah, that's right.
And I think that you can get something that's as good looking, but more simple to make by using wood, any species, any shape.
Well, that's the thing. In using the different woods, there's more varieties, and they come in different shapes, like you said, and they can be used for so many different things. I like the idea of using them for wedding favors wedding centerpieces. One tip is to do groups of odd numbers. So like the 3 we have here is really cool. That really makes a big impact. So you could do 3, 5, 7. I also like the idea of using them for teacher gifts. You could even go as far as to do a plain piece of wood and have your child do a little drawing or something on it. That would be really cute.
It replaces the apple.
Right, so then you do Father's Day, Mother's Day. I mean, really, the
list goes on.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's a great gift. Super inexpensive, you said. You can get them at most places now.
I mean, honestly, just a couple bucks, grocery store, and the materials don't cost much, so this is really an affordable project.
Well, let's knock out the details of the actual preparation of the wood.
Before we start, can I just say, this is gorgeous, and there's no stain on this wood, right?
No, that's right.
Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, this is raw. It's actually called Purple Heart.
Okay.
And the cool thing about it, the exotic thing, is that it's Brazilian.
Okay, everything's better when it's Brazilian, right?
Everything that comes from Brazil is better, yeah. So anyway, I think the first step we want to cover here is we want to find the center. And I think if we just...
Oh, you have a trick.
If we put this piece of wood from corner to corner and make a mark in the middle.
Oh, okay.
And then from the other corner to corner and make a mark in the middle.
You never knew that.
Then you end up with the very center mark. Perfect. Right there. Okay, we got the hole drilled. Now we got to put the stand in here, but they don't come pre-bent, so you have to do your magic there.
Right, well, there's different kinds you can use. They come in different gauges, different colors. In fact, Corey had used this, which is copper, right?
Yeah, this actually came from Parr lumber. We had some electrical wire, 3-wire electrical wire, and he stripped it off and pulled the copper out, and we bent it right up and ready to go.
The copper is really gorgeous. The black might be a little bit easier to bend though, so I'll just show you here. Cut about 1 foot of wire, and you're gonna find something in your house that's cylindrical, and we are just going to...
That's about 3 wraps.
Right, just about 3. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna sort of manipulate it a little bit so it's a little bit smaller on the bottom and you go a little bit wider on top.
And that just depending on which air plant you're gonna put in there.
That's right.
This little slender one here takes a smaller wrap than this big one here.
And we had to redo that one a little bit for it to fit, but
yeah.
It's super easy to bend, so it's no problem. So then we're gonna use a little bit of glue. So we'll just put a little tip on top. And we'll wipe a little bit of the excess there.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, so now that we have them done, we can go ahead and just place our air plants right in the top. And just as a reminder, you can just soak them in water for about 30 minutes to water them, let them out to dry for about an hour, and then you just pop them right back in.
Let them out upside down.
Yep.
And then pop them right back in.
That's it.
That's awesome. Wow, this was super easy, and they turned out really good. I know we always say that, but this Brazilian hardwood is gorgeous.
I mean, it really is gorgeous. These turned out great.
And it was super inexpensive, and it make a great Father's Day gift, Mother's Day gift, teacher's gift. And it was fast. I mean, we hardly did this in a couple of minutes.
I mean, I can't believe how fast it was.
For Clever Bloom and Weekend Warriors, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out cleverbloom.com and Aaron's Instagram page. Thank you so much. This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors.
See you next time.